What's the most beautiful bird in the world? Many would say it's the peacock. But did you know that these stunning feathers aren't just for show? Those dazzling colors aren't from pigments. They're actually created by the way light reflects off microscopic structures in the feathers. It's called structural coloration, and it makes peacocks shine like jewels. And those eye-shaped spots? They play a key role in attracting mates. The bigger and brighter the tail, the more impressed the peahens are. It's all about survival of the most fabulous. But beauty isn't everything. Peacocks also have one of the loudest bird calls.